Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Belize. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we may or may not have, we may not actually need a visa. And when you check these requirements, always check as per the official entity of the destination country that covers your residential area, because based on that there could be additional documents, steps, sometimes even features. So in front of you I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs website of Belize, and they do have an embassy here in India. Okay, they have given all the information, also honorary consulate, phone number and address, email account, everything fine. If I go to consular service, I have like immigration and national services. Here if you go to visa, let's start. Do you really need a visa to travel to Belize? You don't need if you hold multiple entry visa or permanent resident card from USA, same from Canada, and also multiple entry Schengen visa. If you have, you don't need. If you are traveling or transiting, you may need a visa otherwise. Okay. Now you can also check as per the country. Let's see if I check for India. So Indians do need, but if they meet the criteria above, they don't have to. So you can always check as per your another country. Let's go for visa requirements. What do you need? Application form, passport and flight itinerary. In addition to that, you following documents if you're being sponsored: letter of financial support, identification, proof of relocation, employment, banking, financial. If you're paying your cost on your own, you need banking statements and financial letter. Okay, passport and flight itinerary definitely. So employment letter issued in last 6 months, and banking transactions for last 6 months. Okay, statement fine. Visa types: tourist, employment, student. I don't have to describe what these are, because by name itself it says that what you are allowed to, what you not to. Next is how are you going to apply. So we have already gone through the checklist. Okay, when it comes to application, you can apply your nearest Belizean diplomat or consular mission. For example, if you're trying to do it from India, they have one in New Delhi, where you can contact, book an appointment and also go there. Okay, coming to fee. Okay, nationals from the People's Republic of China 3000, from Nepal, Thailand, India, Burma, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka 750. It's Belizean dollar. Okay, this was single entry. For multiple entry also they have given the fee, so you can see based on your nationality what it is, and you can convert. Visa form. Okay, so this for photo. Applicant information: last name, first name, you can do capital, full name at birth if different, date of birth, place of birth, nationality. Do you hold any other nationality? India does not allow, so for Indians it could be no. If yes, you need to provide your gender, marital status, spouse complete name if applicable, document information, current passport details. If you hold any other country's passport, provide that details too. Contact information, children information if applicable. Now your trip information: what type of trip you are doing, in number of entries, on which date you want to travel, how long do you intend to live there. Okay, what is the purpose of your travel to Belize, that you need to do, and provide the details like your plan, where you have booked the stay, etc. All right. Then purpose, your occupation information, employment declaration, where they have asked you security questions, so answer accordingly. Signature date, this is for official use, so don't worry about it. Okay. Now letter of financial support. Okay, if you have a sponsor, you can get this letter from them. Again, the format, this is going to be the sponsor. Okay, address, and now this is the person who is applying, like you in this case. If you have a sponsor there, applicant name, I would say, for PW, she is a nationality. Okay, and you need to put the number here, whatever it comes out, and now also the signature. Okay, once you have everything ready, as we had seen, is that you can contact the um, their consulate that we had seen just some time back, and then they will definitely help you to book an appointment, and from there it can be taken. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.